Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study chemistry tips step by step. Start by mapping out the major topics and lab skills you need to master. Break study time into focused blocks and prioritize understanding over memorization. Use a clean notebook for concept maps and practice problems. Keep a simple checklist to track progress and adjust study sessions based on which topics need more review, especially reaction mechanisms and problem solving. Use active techniques that force retrieval and explanation. Create flashcards for key reactions, terms, and mechanisms, then test yourself until recall is effortless. Work through varied problem sets and narrate each step aloud to reinforce reasoning and spot errors. If possible, teach a concept to a friend or study group to expose gaps in your understanding and build confidence with explanations and calculations. Prepare for labs by reviewing protocols, hazards, and expected results ahead of time. During experiments, note how observations relate to theoretical concepts and write concise conclusions. Practice lab calculations regularly, including molarity, limiting reagent, percent yield, and unit conversions, so they become automatic. Developing safe habits and consistent note-taking will make lab work less stressful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.